Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Samsung TV Plus on your Android TV. So first, in order to do this is the only option we can do. We're gonna need the application called Kodi on our device. So go ahead and download Kodi, this application, on your Android device and open it. Okay, now so once you open it, just head over to the settings right here, click on File Manager, and scroll all the way down to Add Source and click on it. Click again. Okay, now type in this link right here. Okay, now you can name it here whatever you want. I will just name it so I can know. I will name it Samsung TV Plus. Okay, now let's try again. Okay, now head back and go to the add-ons right here. And now go all the way down and click on install from zip file. So click on that, and now let's find the file we had just created. It's this one. Open it. Click on it again. We wait a little bit until this is said install. Now go to this one, install from repository. Click on it. Scroll all the way down until you find this guy, slide guy. Now click on it. Scroll all the way down to video add-ons. Click on it, and now let's find the Samsung TV app. As you can see, it's right here. Now click on it and install. Click OK. We wait for installation. As you can see, it's set up and installed now. Go back. Let's go all the way back. Now scroll all the way down until add-ons. And as you can see, here is the application is installed, and you can do whatever you want. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a nice day.